Welcome to Pat's Listening English. I'm Patrice the Squirrel. Our goal here is an English mind. Think in English, even your inner voice. We'll simulate real scenes, so jump in and role play with me. It's a short lesson. Listen on repeat and keep it light. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe. Today's theme: the cafe. Let's listen to a natural conversation. Imagine you're there and see how much you can catch. Ready? Let's begin.
Wow, it's really packed today. Hopefully I can find a seat. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's open.
Great. Do you mind if I sit here?
Not at all.
Thanks a lot. Lucky me. I actually found a seat. Time to relax a little. It smells amazing in here. Fresh coffee everywhere. This is amazing. I love it. I should check if there's Wi-Fi and a power outlet nearby. I really need to catch up on my emails. Hi, do you have Wi-Fi and outlets here?
Yes, the password's on the menu.
Oh, nice. Is it free?
Yep, free for all customers. There's a power outlet under the table.
Perfect, thanks. And by the way, where's the restroom?
In the back, right next to the counter.
Great! Free Wi-Fi and a restroom. Super convenient. Maybe I'll reply to those messages later. I should probably charge my phone too. I definitely want coffee. Maybe something smooth and creamy. A latte sounds good. And I could use something to eat too. Could I see the menu?
Of course, here you go.
Do you have any seasonal specials?
Yes, today we have a pumpkin spice latte.
That sounds interesting, but I think I'll stick with a latte. Could I order, please? Could I get a medium latte?
Of course. Would you like extra milk?
Yes, extra milk, please. And no sugar, please.
You got it. Anything to eat?
What would you recommend?
Our sandwich set is really popular.
Sounds great. I'll take one of those.
Sure, coming right up.
Good choice. I'm starving, so a sandwich set is perfect. I wonder how long it'll take. Oh well, I don't mind waiting. All right, while I'm waiting, what should I do this weekend? I'm meeting Anna on Saturday. Maybe we'll go shopping or try that new Italian place. Oh, she texted me last night and I still haven't replied. I should message her back later. And I promised to call my parents. Maybe tonight after dinner. Feels nice just sitting here and letting my mind wander. Cafes are perfect for that.
Here's your latte and the sandwich set.
Thanks so much. This looks amazing.
You're welcome. I'm glad you like it. Enjoy.
Not too salty. Just right. This is amazing. I love it.
Glad to hear it.
This is so good. I should definitely come here more often. Next time, maybe I'll bring my laptop and get some work done here. That was really good. I feel so full now. What time is it? Oh, I still have a couple of hours before my next thing. Maybe I'll stop by the bookstore before my next thing. All right, let's go pay and head out. Okay, time to pay. Hopefully they take cards. Almost never carry cash anymore. Hi, can I pay here?
Yes, of course. Will you be paying by card?
Yes, card please.
Great. You can just tap right here.
Thanks. Can I add a tip by card?
Sure. How much would you like to add?
15%, please.
Got it. Thanks so much. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. See you next time. What a nice little cafe. Great food, friendly staff. I'll definitely come back.
Thanks for watching till the end. Think in English, even your inner voice. That's the shortcut to an English mind. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.